As you're starting to go through this process, it's very important that you connect to a Praan Sutra. A Praan Sutra are mantras. They're like magic keys, a magic key that has a sound current that will automatically connect you to the infinite. And I'm going to go over them real quick. The one that is very common for people that are familiar with the Shabadana Dana is the last two lines. Which goes Nanakatu Lena tu hai Guru Amada tu Bichariya Dana Dana Ramdas Guru Janasiri Tane Savariya. And it means you are Nanak, Guru Angad, and Guru Amar Das. Honored and praised is Ram Das, the Guru. The one who created you has embellished and adorned you. So that is a very, very powerful Praan Sutra to be doing at the time of death. Now, because it's more complicated, it's important to know it so well. Practice it in life. Make it your personal Praan Sutra. Like, let's say you're driving along and someone cuts in front of you. Do you cuss them out? Is that going to be the last word that you're thinking if you die in that crash? Or is it going to be Nanaka Tule Not Tuhe Guru Amatu? Another one that you can attach to that is Puri Hoe Karamat Apasita Jana Haradariya. And that means perfect is your miracle. The Creator himself has installed you on the throne. So those are lines that are very important to learn. Practice them in life so that when you're dying, they automatically come into your head. Anytime you're in a stressful situation, have those coming in your head. There are some simpler ones that we've been given, like Waheguru. And I know people have told me that that's the one that they were going to use. A woman I was sitting with, she said, oh yes, I've been practicing Waheguru, Waheguru, Waheguru. And another one is, if you chant Waheguru, you do not have to go through the panorama of death. With Satnam, chanting Satnam, that's another Praan Sutra, you merge with the angels. Hari is another one. All karmas go. Pronounced in 2 syllables. Hari, 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 Hari. And Ram, which is the one that Gandhi was chanting when he died. Ram, 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 Ram. And that universality of God pleads for you. And then Kirtan Suila. If that prayer is recited by memory, you will not have to go into the coma of death, where you go through the panorama of death. If the dying individual doesn't know it, recite it for them.